How to delete your Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippen, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Google account. Now, it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to simply head into your device settings, and then here under settings you want to head into the option that says Google. Now you can head directly into your Google account management option. What you want to do is here under Google, you can see your Google account there. You want to tap on manage your Google account. Now if you wish to switch between account, you can tap on your particular email that will show up there, and you can add another account if you are wishing to add another account to delete it, or if you have multiple accounts, you can select particular account that you wish to delete. Now once you do so, what you want to do is you want to head into this start data and privacy option that you can see here on the screen. Simply tap on it, and you want to simply tap on more options, or you want to simply scroll down to the very bottom of the screen, and there you'll get the option that says make a plan for your digital legacy, and you can see that delete your Google account. Simply tap on it, and then it'll ask you to verify that it's you. You want to verify using your passkey or whatever verification process that it's really you, and after that it'll give you an option to delete your Google account. So this way you can easily delete your Google account through this option. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.